Well, I'm going to roast this 2-pound piece of pork butt in the vegetables. A lot of vegetables there because they're going to be part of the sauce that's on. And I'm going to put in chili powder, salt, black pepper, dried thyme leaves, and oregano. The oven's already set. Gonna put this in, and when I see the vegetables are cooked a little bit and the meat, then I'm gonna put the beans and the tomato sauce in there. So even though I said roasting, I am actually braising this because I'm putting liquid in there. So I'll put the tomato sauce. A pint of, oops, you spilt that. And we'll put this in there for another, keep on testing it every half hour. No. My ideas don't always work out. As I was thinking this through, I go, no, that's not going to work good. So meanwhile, the pork has sat in there for an hour. And I forgot the red wine, so I poured it in after I shut off the camera with the beans and tomato sauce. So now we're going to just switch a little because these beans have to cook. They're not going to cook right in the oven. So they'll finish there, and then I'm going to set the clock now. That's 2 half hours, and I'm going to set it for an hour. This is going into the oven just like that. And then later it'll be placed back in there. Now we're done, and we're going to slice this. Look how that piece shrunk up. But all roasted or braised items do the same thing. Actually, this looks like it's enough for 3 people. I thought it would just be for 2. And then the other person eating is not going to have what I'm going to put on this plate. It's going to be the beans with everything else. And there you go. Now it took enough time to cook that, even though it was a 2-pound piece. I hope you enjoy.